How absurd. How absurd. What about you? What about you? Hands up. Hands up. Definitely. Definitely. Sit up. Sit up. How peaceful. How peaceful. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't go. Don't go. Have a good day. Have a good day. Hold on a minute, please. Hold on a minute, please. Will do. Will do. Speak louder. Speak louder. Take care. Take care. Wait for me. Wait for me. At once. At once. How sweet. How sweet. Would you assist me, please? Would you assist me, please? Yes, go on. Yes, go on. Try again. Try again. Not a single one. Not a single one. Come near. Come near. That will do. That will do. Well done. Well done. Forgive me. Forgive me. Not a bit. Not a bit. What an idea. What an idea. So what? So what? Go straight. Go straight. I can. I can. Oh, sit. Oh, sit. See you soon. See you soon. Get lost. Get lost. Marvelous. Marvelous. Get on. Get on. Stop talking. Stop talking. Don't ask. Don't ask. Speak softly. Speak softly. I don't care. I don't care. Make him laugh. Make him laugh. Why not? Why not? Not required. Not required. Advise me. Advise me. Wait a little bit. Wait a little bit. How strange. How strange. Well done. Well done. Shall I go? Shall I go? That way, please. That way, please. Anybody here? Anybody here? Indeed. Indeed. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.